Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot today. Let's get to the mountain where it's not so hot. I might have to test ride that. We call it a test ride. Should be a good day for riding. I think it's overcast, no rain. Shouldn't be, if there's any rain, it shouldn't be much. Damn, Richard. I'm not riding behind him. Fuck that. I just got hit like 4 rocks in a row. Ooh, that's a pretty R1.
Yeah, gold.
I like that gold on it, yeah. Ready? It's no wonder my tire felt like shit, dude. It was at 23 air pressure in the front. 23 was the air pressure. I thought it was too much. It's way too low. Oh, it feels good right here. We'll see who sticks close to my back to
I'm just talking to your back.
Who is?
R1.
R1?
They're racing to go behind you.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one. Catch everyone else, not just me this time. R1 scared the shit out of me. R1 got bored with us. Like, I got enough. Here's a new road. Oh, he's gonna throw rocks big time with his tires.
Yeah.
His tires don't even have tread. They're like straight up slicks.
You have your camera at your back?
What?
You have the 360 at your back?
Yeah.
You sure?
Is it gone?
Yeah. Hey, let me check.
Oh, shit.
It's jumped down. It's jumped
Yeah,
down.
it came down. Scared the shit out of me, dude. How long's it been like that?
Is it tight enough?
Yeah, it was loose as hell. That'd suck. You come home and be like, all the footage is looking out at the sky. That was not a lane.
And your camera is staying down again.
Ah! It's not staying, dude. I even pushed it forward the other way. Okay, that's as hard as I can get it.
You sure?
You can try it this way. You have gloves on. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. I don't want to break it.
Sure?
I think that should get it. Let's try. Are they still fighting over the spot? Let's lean forward again a little bit. Well, at least it didn't fall off while we were riding. All right, we're gonna do some pictures. Pictures! They're gonna take my picture. I'm trying. Sucking my stomach in so hard. Everybody's time to take pictures. Take pictures. Na. Oh, that air feels good. It's even a tiny little breeze feels good. Okay, so now we're gonna go back by the caterpillar spot. We're gonna take some pictures going back and forth around the twisties over there. Where are you gonna take the pictures?
Huh?
Where are you planning to take them?
Yeah, here.
Here? Oh, okay.
Go in there.
Go there and come back? I don't know. There's not really a lean there. from my picture. I won't be a camera hog. There's half the life of your Pirelli Diablo. Oh, sorry.
Ed,
Yo.
Robert said he and Carlem is gonna go straight home.
Right now?
Yeah.
What the hell? Okay. There he is. Ah, fucked up road.
Yeah.
We got our own photographer sniper shot here. Rain, stick right behind me on this turn. Because of how the camera angle is with the turns, don't be too close. Keep a little, just like a bike and two bike distance or something. Okay? And then stick your leg out. Just a little. You ready to go with them?
Yeah.
All right, man.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
All right. Tell him I said bye. I don't know where Carlin went. We're gonna go to Big C.
There's 60.
That's not Big C.
This is 60.
It can't be Big C. It's so freaking...
This is 60.
Is it really?
Yeah.
But it's not hard lean.
It is if you go fast.
So let's turn around then if that's Big C.
Yeah.
Now it's time for just relax, enjoy the fresh air, enjoy the ride.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get home and see how this all looks.
Yeah.
Alright, shout out to everybody who came out to ride with us today, had a good time. I think it's time to go home. Catch you next time.
Okay!